Hello students, welcome you all. So today we are going to continue the previous lecture of chapter 3 human reproduction. Out of these events of reproduction, we have covered up to embryonic development. In embryonic development, what we have done, that formation of the two types of cell, outer and inner. The outer cell forms what? Trophoblast for the implantation of the blastula, as well as we have done the innermost cell. Innermost cell is responsible for what? For the differentiation, and due to this differentiation, what happens? This embryo undergoes differentiation. So here what we are going to start, embryonic development. How this embryonic development takes place? So it takes place with the help of some differentiation, that is it is divided into three different layers or three germinal layers: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, and all these three layers will form different tissue, then different organs. Now if you will see the whole development of embryo with the help of sonography or ultrasound, you can see different months there will be some changes in embryo. So in the first month I have written embryo's heart. So you can feel or you can listen the heartbeats here with the help of stethoscope, as well as in the ultrasound what happens, we can listen the sound of this fetus. So in the first month or during the end of 1 month, what will happen? The heart can be audible. Then in the second month, when the second month will come to end, you can see that there will be some formation of limbs and desert. Limbs is what? Hands or the legs. So all these will start to form from the end of the second month. And the third one is the end of third month. It means we know that gestation period of 9 months. If you will divide this 9 months into three parts, what are they? 3 trimesters are there. Trimester means of 3 months, total of 9 months. So how many? First trimester, second trimester, third trimester. This first trimester is of 3 months. This is for another 3 months, and this is for another 3 months. So one trimester forms by 3 months. So here I have done end of 3 months. So when this 3 months will end up, so what will happen? The major organ system. We know that our body is made of cell, then tissue, then organ system. So organ system is what? A proper human being, we can say. So here at the end of third month, the major part of the body will form here of the fetus. Fine. Now, so first trimester we have completed here. As during the fifth month, during the fourth month there is no major changes. In the fifth month you will see that there will be first movement of the fetus. It is said that it is very important the baby should be moved. So we can observe these things when during the end of the 5 month. During the 5 months there will be some movement of these limbs as well as some digits. So movement of fetus and appears hairs on the head. This is a very important from the examination of point of view, that movement of fetus can be felt during which month? During the end of the fifth month or during the fifth month. Right? Now the third one, another one is the end of 6 months. So it means that another trimester is completed here. First trimester, then another trimester is what? End of the 6 months. So end of the 6 months, what we can observe? The fine hair we can observe, as well as eyelids and eyelashes of the growing baby. Fine. And the end of the 8th month, again this is very important. Testes in male fetus descend into the scrotum. What does it mean? We know that before that there is no major changes in the male fetus as well as female fetus, but at the end of 8th month what will happen? The testes are present where? At the abdominal region. Fine. So the testes are present in the abdominal region. So as the 8th month will end up, so these testes will go into the scrotum below the abdomen region. And we know that what is scrotum? Scrotum is a pouch like structure where testes is present. So it is very important, so that this testis should move towards the scrotum. Otherwise there may be another problem. It's not of your course, but yes, that problem should be operated. So what is required? The testis must be moved towards the scrotum. And what is that canal through which this testis will move? Inguinal canal. For your information, it is important. Inguinal canal. So with the help of this inguinal canal, the testis will move towards the scrotum. Fine. And what is the role of scrotum? We all know that. Now the other changes which will take place in the embryo, that is end of 9th month. So end of 9th month is what? Now the third trimester will also complete here. Make sure that up to here we will use the word embryo. We are using word embryo, or there will be some changes. But here at the end of 9 months, what happens? Almost all the development takes place here. So fetus is fully developed here at the end of 9th month, or we can say third trimester. So now we can say it's a fetus or the growing baby. So fetus is what? Somehow there will be some differentiation of a different body part. So that time we can say what? Fetus here. It will be fit for that. So this is all about the embryonic development of the fetus. In the next lecture, we are going to continue about the embryonic development. What are these three different layers are forming? How the extra embryonic membranes will form here. So all about it. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you.